Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here, and welcome back to more RC video reviews, in particular today the FPV gear review. When it comes to budget FPV video goggles, you're gonna look at the boxed FPV video goggles because they're in particular cheaper than the other type of FPV video goggles. When it comes to the budget FPV video goggles, Eachine EV800 was my personal favorite. Why? Because it has a 5-inch LCD that you could detach and use it as LCD, or you can attach to the lens section and use it as an FPV video goggles. It has diversity video receiver, it has built-in battery, and it has very good reception. I mean, it has very good performance. They were really nice FPV budget video goggles. Now Eachine has made them even better by releasing the Eachine EV800D right here in my hand. Now when I say these are the best budget FPV video goggles, boxed FPV video goggles, well, there is a reason. Let's find it out by unboxing them, taking a closer look at these EV800D boxed FPV video goggles and talking about its feature. You will know why I'm saying they're better than EV800 and they are definitely the best budget FPV video goggles. Let's unbox the video goggles right away to see what comes inside the box. We have the user manual, okay, and of course our budget boxed FPV video goggles, the Eachine EV800D. We have the charging adapter, wall adapter, and then we have the AV in-out cable. Cable for you to charge the video goggles with a battery and a panel antenna. And that's not it. Inside here you will also find a mushroom antenna, and of course for your wall outlet adapter, a cable. Dig in more and you will find a neat bag for you to carry your FPV video goggles. Alright, let me give you a closer look at the Eachine EV800D and take you through its features. First off, what makes it better than the previous version EV800 is the letter D that you see with the name. That stands for DVR. That's why you see a TF card slot here. Yes, now you have a built-in DVR that records 720x 576 pixels of raw video of your flight. Especially when it comes to the FPV quadcopters or aircraft, which you cannot actually add any kind of HD camera. Micro FPV racing quadcopters or FPV whoops, you will know how important the DVR is when it comes to sharing your FPV whooping flights especially. So this time having to have a built-in DVR to record your raw flight footage is a big yes. For me and for many out there, and that makes these video goggles right away one step ahead of EV800, the previous version. That was definitely the first and best improvement in these video goggles. Now when it comes to the video receivers, EV800D is running very sensitive RX5808 Pro video receiver modules built in, and these are diversity, means two RX5808 Pro video receiver modules built in this video goggles, and they are 40 channel raceband video receivers. So having those Pro diversity modules, I am actually expecting better video reception while flying FPV whoops indoors or FPV racing quadcopters outdoors. Now one more thing that many of those who actually wear glasses are gonna love it, because people who wear glasses sometimes cannot wear goggles. People who are dizzy by, goggles that you have to wear on your face and they don't feel good, this is one of the best features for those people, because you can actually simply detach the LCD module from the goggle modules and use it as an LCD, standalone LCD, FPV LCD with diversity video receivers and of course a built-in DVR. So those who are actually hooked flying with the LCD screens, this is one of the best features because you can detach it and put it on tripod and fly with the LCD. Having to have 40 channel race band diversity video receivers, you are worried about how do you search the channels. Well, don't worry, it has an auto search feature. The button right here is gonna auto scan all the frequency for you and of course lock onto the strongest frequency. Now the LCD is 5-inch LCD screen and it provides a very clear picture. Trust me on that, we are gonna test it. When it comes to the finish and the build of the video goggles, they are actually speaking, honestly speaking, very good, very smooth finish. There's nothing edgy or scratchy, nothing is sticking out. Very nice and smooth finish. All in all, they are very nicely built FPV video goggles. You have got 3-strap headband adjustable. You have a 7.4 volt 1200 milliamp built-in battery that you can charge using the supplied cable on the field and a 3S battery, and or simply use the wall outlet provided to charge the battery. And after a fully charged battery, it should give you plenty of use time. At the left side of the video goggles, you will find the power slot. That's where you will plug the wall outlet or the supplied cable with the LiPo battery to charge the video goggles. At the right side of the goggles, you have AV in port. When it comes to the buttons, the operating of this video goggles is very, very simple. The search right here will auto scan all the frequencies bands for you. Then you have A and B video receivers and their corresponding antennas that are provided that you can that come with the video goggles and you can use them. And you have a reset button and an LED here that shows you operating of the video goggles. You have a TF card slot, you have a menu button, you have power button, and you have a channel and band button. And for the DVR recording, picture or video, you will use this button. So should you take a snapshot, should you want a snapshot of your flight footage, just press it once or press it and hold, I believe, to start recording the video. And similarly, you can stop recording the video after you are done flying. Let's turn the video goggles on. I believe they should have some power still, so we will be able to test them right away. Let me pick one of the FPV quadcopters as well so I can turn it on. Alright, so I'm gonna turn on my diatom. We're gonna turn on the video goggles, press and hold. Just click it and it will search RFA. That's it. Awesome. Record it right there. So right now it is on RFA. Let me just focus more. Alright, no reflection there. We have RFA. I will press again and it always goes to RFA. Guess we are too close, so it's always locking on that. Let me press the SRC, AV, and diversity. So now we are on diversity and I will search. Okay, and we are on diversity lock now. And now the diversity video receivers actually have locked and you have the footage from the quadcopter. Now I can tell you the screen, even from my bare eyes, looks pretty clear. The picture, the image quality is really very clear and nice. Alright, so I'm holding the quadcopter to show you the room and the stuff in my room, and you can see basically the picture quality is pretty clear. Hey, what's up, man? What's up? It's actually very, very clear picture quality, image quality in there. There's a little bit of noise running at the moment as because I'm running a TBS Unify Pro that probably have some noise. Just to see how quickly we can search. I'm just loving how quick the search is. So I'm gonna power my diatom quadcopter now. Alright. And one moment, I'll just turn it around the camera. Press the search button once again, and there you go. I mean, you gotta simply love this fast search on these FPV video goggles. Alright, after adjusting the strap, really nice. Now, of course, the boxed FPV video goggles means you have a box wearing on your face. They look ridiculous, of course, but hey, when it comes to budget and the best budget FPV video goggles, who cares? If they are performing and giving you what you want, you just got it. And I don't care what I look like. So basically speaking, once again, basically speaking, they fit really nice and good on my face, in front of my eyes. I have light slipping from here under my nose because the nose area right here, if you see it, is really big. Alright, so there is, light slipping in. However, given the brightness of the LCD, I actually will still have clear picture to focus on, and I won't be bothered by that light. In fact, the light is, even the LCDs are off now, the light is not causing any kind of glare inside. And there's no other light slipping from actually the area where the goggles detach. Don't go yet, because I'm gonna enjoy my UAV flying with this goggles, and I will give you my comments how these FPV video goggles are performing indoors with an FPV VTOL, so you will have a better and more clear picture of Eachine EV800D and whether to go for these best budget goggles or not. Nice and good view in here. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so here we go. It's already saying land now. I don't know why. I didn't even start flying and it's saying land now. Uh-oh, missed that hoop right there. Cannot miss this one, it's easy. I'm flying slow like a dork because I need to get used to this quadcopter's responses. Woo! Getting faster! And we are going in my room. Video is glitchy, so let's come back out. Over my head. And this quadcopter flies amazing. I was having a throttle issue where I have to actually use a lot of throttle to fly it, and I got rid of it by just adding a simple throttle curve, and now I have a very good throttle response as well. Absolutely a fantastic quadcopter right here. Now for the goggles, EV800D have very clear picture in there. Reception is very good, except that when I go to another room, which is a bit farther, at the right side of my goggles, only then I'm getting a bit of glitches. Well, not a bit, a lot of glitches, but it's still, as soon as I come out, it's flyable and I can control it. So reception wise, goggles are doing very well. Image quality, very well. And performance of the goggle, very well. I didn't crash. Good thing. Good thing is I didn't do like upside down. Okay, I can go through the table, under the table. I did it. Luckily I did that thing as well. The hoop. Whoa, it gets really fast, very quick, man. Alright, that was nice. And we dropped because, the battery died. Let's stop recording. These are the best budget boxed FPV video goggles. Enjoy, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon to stay notified. Take care, and of course next, the HD Eachine EV800D FPV video goggles with the diversity video receiver. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.